Today, on International Day of Families, I want to give a special thank you to our military families. Military families play a vital role in our communities. They are an integral part of our Canadian Armed Forces, and their support, commitment, and contributions are essential to the success of our operations. The challenges of a military life are not always well understood. As military families relocate to new communities, they face hurdles in accessing healthcare, childcare, employment, and other community services. But through the Seamless Canada initiative, we are easing those burdens of relocation for our Canadian Armed Forces members and their families. Our military families demonstrate courage, adaptability, and compassion every day. They bring their resilient spirit to each new posting, strengthening the communities wherever they set down new roots. Whether at home or abroad, military families don't only promote Canadian values, they inspire them. Today, join me in paying tribute to the military families whose commitment and support make such a difference to our women and men in uniform. Their personal sacrifices, which sometimes go unnoticed, deserve our heartfelt thanks. Military families, you truly are the strength behind the uniform. Thank you very much.